Welcome aboard, you beautiful sea weirdos! I'm the baby rookie captain. And apparently I run this whole channel now.
Yeah, I don't know how it happened either. 1 minute I'm fixing a 33-foot Chris craft. The next minute a baby hijacks my YouTube channel.
Move over, old man! I gotta show these people avoiding disaster is an art form.
And this is why my anxiety has anxiety. This boat needs a lot of work, like a lot, but together.
With your help and his credit card, we can make this baby float. Smash that subscribe button or I'm turning this boat into a bathtub toy.
Please subscribe. He's getting too powerful.
Support the mission! Donations, merch, snacks, juice boxes. We accept all forms of currency.
Mostly donations and merch. Ignore the juice box part.
Like,
subscribe, and join the crew.